Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. I am Navkan Misra with you to discuss first verification of vertically opposite angles, and after that I will discuss parallel and intersecting lines. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear students, here I have to prove vertically opposite angles, and for this you have to write down at first given two lines AB and CD intersect at O. And you know that in this process four angles are formed, and you know that angle 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles are formed. To prove second one, you have to write to prove, and you have to, you know very well that 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angle. You have to prove 1 is equal to 3, and second one and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These two angles you have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Third one, you have to start proof. My dear students, you know very well that due to linear pair, you know that two adjacent angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree are known as linear pair. And you can just take that this is the straight line CD, and OB stand on this CD, and due to linear pair you can write 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. Again, due to linear pair you can write, actually AB is a straight line and OC stand on it, and this is why angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is second. Since you have just to see that in both the cases it is equal to 180 degree, and you know very well that A is equal to B and C is equal to D. Therefore, A is equal to C because both are equal. RHS in both the cases are equal. So you have to write from first and second. You can write 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3 because both are equal to 180 degree, and angle 2 both are cancelled. So 1 is equal to 3. First pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly you can prove that. You can prove angle 2 is equal to angle 4. How can you prove? It is not essential to prove it. Whatever the same process. Because you know very well that for your convenience I am going to discuss how to prove 2 and 4 if you try to do so. You know that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and it is due to linear pair because you know that AB is a straight line and OC stand on it. And second one 3 plus 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 is also equal to 180 degree because CD is a straight line and OA stand on it, and you know that due to linear pair. And now if you equal both of them, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, angle 3 cancel, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and you have just proof it, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So vertically opposite angles are equal you have to just show one of them, one pair of vertically opposite angles, and similarly you have to write that it can be proved 2 is equal to 4. My dear students, next topic is angles at a point. You know that angles are formed and several angles are formed at a point. You know that if you draw this one, actually if you name it A, B, C and D, actually 4 rays has been started with O, and this is why OA, OB, OC and OD all are started with the same initial point O. Similarly, you can explain in the case of when you have to write AB, CD intersect O. Actually, when you discuss about that 2 lines intersect at O, then in this case, actually you have to explain that all 4 rays has been started with same initial point OA, OB, OC and OD. All these rays has been started with O, so O is also known as origin. O is known as origin because it is the starting point. So when you draw such type of figure, then its initial point is O and O is known as origin. And actually it forms how many angles? 4 angles. And namely you can just write BOC, angle AOC, angle AOD and angle BOD. All 4 angles. Sometimes it is also denoted by letters or digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Generally this number has been used when several angles are formed and for our convenience, because if you write such type of name then it becomes so larger, and sometimes to solve the question, to do the calculation, it creates some problem. So for our convenience, these digits or numbers are used to locate the angles. These all are known as angles formed at the point O. So angle formed at the point O is understood by this. And also you have to notice that all such angles, if you add all these angles, then you know very well that angle formed around a point is equal to 360 degree. So all this sum of all these angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 is equal to 360 degree, because angle formed around a point is equal to 360 degree. And nowadays it is also known as 4 right angles. Sometimes it is better to say that 4 right angles, because one right angle is 90 degree. So it is known as 4 right angles, my dear. So hope you have to just understand. One more figure quickly I have just take, and you have to just focus on it. Suppose that this is A, B, C, D, E and F, and all intersect at O. My dear, how many angles are formed? You can just see that it forms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 angles are formed. And all angles are known as angles at the points, and O is origin. Generally O is used in place of O. Any point you can just take. Any naming can be done so easily. And what will be the sum? sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus angle 4 plus 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 360 degree. It is due to that angle formed around a point must be equal to 360 degree. So it doesn't matter that how many angles are formed. If it is formed around a point, then it should be equal to 360 degree. In this video, it is very difficult to discuss some more definition like parallel and intersecting. In next video, I will discuss parallel and intersecting. Hope you have to enjoy one of the best educational YouTube channel, MGSS Darbhanga. Thank you. Keep watching this YouTube channel.